What's going on, everyone? Vitaly here, and in this short video I want to show you which device you're getting traffic from in Pinterest to your website. Is it mobile devices, is it tablet devices, or perhaps is it desktop devices? Those are the three main devices that people use to find your pins and land on your website, and the quality of the traffic that you get from those three devices really varies, and I'm going to talk about that later in this video. But first, let me show you how to actually tell which device you're getting traffic from in Pinterest. So in order to find this out, you're going to want to go to your Analytics Overview tab, and you can find that under Analyze Performance and where it says Analytics Overview. Now in my case, in the last 30 days, you're going to notice where it says outbound clicks. This is the traffic coming from Pinterest to my website. It's 9,220 people. And the thing is, this combines all three devices together. And in order to tell which device is getting the specific numbers, you're going to want to go to where it says More Filters, and where it says Audience Filters, you're going to want to filter it by these three devices. So if I click on desktop and I click on Apply, now it's going to change, and it's going to let me know that in the last 30 days, I got almost 900 people as desktop users finding my pins and landing on my website from those pins. Now if I wanted to change that, I'd click the X, I'd go back here, I'd click on mobile, I'd click on apply, and that number is way higher on mobile, which is completely normal. Most of the traffic that you're going to get to your website from Pinterest is typically going to be mobile users, and in this case it's over 7,000 people that clicked and found my website from Pinterest. And obviously the last one, if I click on More Filters and I click on tablet and I click on apply, it's a little over 1,000. So if I click X on this, it's just going to put the numbers back together, combining for a total of 9,220 people. So that's how you find out the differences. But the more important question you need to ask yourself is, why is this even important? Why do we want to know the devices that people find our websites from? Well, if you're like me and you're trying to make money from your Pinterest by getting more traffic to your website and trying to monetize that, it matters a lot, because desktop traffic out of these three is probably going to be the one that gets you the most money. So real quick, what I want to show you is my website that actually does get traffic from Pinterest, and you saw that these are the numbers in the last 30 days. And on this website, I monetize it two different ways. The first way is with ads like this that you see on the bottom of the site throughout my blogs as well. And as well as through affiliate marketing. I promote a lot of travel offers here, tours, outdoorsy kinds of things, and that does make me an income as well. But when it comes to ads, that actually makes me the bulk of income on my site, and here's a 30-day report. Now, backtracking back to Pinterest and the devices that people find your pins and click on them and visit your website through, when you compare mobile, tablet, and desktop, at the very top is desktop. Desktop users will get you the most amount of money if you're trying to monetize your blog. The reason why is because desktop users are going to stay on your website longer, so you're going to make more money if you're running ads, and they're also way more involved with the content that you create on your site because it's much more easier to read, so they spend more time doing that. So if you're doing things like affiliate marketing, you have way more chances of making sales. The second one underneath that is tablets. Tablet users also are kind of like higher than mobile users when it comes to the stay time that they have on your site. So typically getting tablet users can also help, but it's not as high as desktop traffic. And finally, the one on the bottom is mobile traffic. And mobile traffic is always going to convert the least, which is okay, that's just the norm, but it's important to know these things. And typically speaking, if you're trying to get, for example, more higher traffic to your desktop from desktop users on Pinterest, you just typically have to follow the things that I teach, for example, on my playlist, which I'll leave a link to below this video. It shows you how to get more traffic to your website from Pinterest, and specifically higher quality users. And while most of them are going to be mobile users followed by tablet and then desktop, the more traffic you get, the more of a spillover there's going to be into desktop traffic. So if you want to get more traffic from desktop users, just create more pins in general that'll target, for example, popular keywords in Pinterest on a certain niche that you're targeting. And again, you can check out my playlist in Pinterest on YouTube here for more details on that. Now, to finish up this video, what I want to say is, you saw my numbers. I'm someone that does make money online from a travel blog. I do affiliate marketing. I have other projects that I work on for my overall online business, and I teach you this stuff throughout this YouTube channel. So if you like this content, like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave it below this video. But in addition to the playlist link that I'll be leaving to more Pinterest video tutorials on underneath this one in the description, I'll also leave a link to my complete blueprint case study. It's free, it's beginner friendly, that teaches you how to build stuff like this. So if you've ever wanted to build a successful website that gets traffic from Pinterest and makes money from that, as well as other sources of traffic, check that out as well. But other than that, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.